1974 Plymouth Barracuda for sale here at MGM Classic Cars. This is a factory 318 car, G code, with power steering, air conditioning. As you can see, factory numbers on the core support, fender tag all in place. Good original car, guys. Blows cold air conditioning, upgraded wheel and tire package with the disc brakes in the front, dual side sport mirrors. Nice chrome bumpers, appear to be original and nice on the car. Grill looks really good as well. It does run and drive very good. It's very reliable. Your door lips on the car are really nice condition here. Factory welds. There you have the Chrysler sticker there. Nice interior with the white. It's soft, it's nice. You got your seat belts all intact. This one here has cruise control. Yeah, cruise control. These buttons here, I guess at one time, someone had these things working. Right now they're all in op, so I don't know what those were, but nice cluster here, guys. Beautiful setup on the finish here. The gauges are crystal clear on all of them. Even your clock works, as you can see. Radio is an 8-track, okay, with the equalizer there. Here's your air conditioning there. Factory console with your automatic shifter. Automatic 3-speed. Nice dash. Pillars are nice here. Steering wheel is nice and clean. Factory side is just as nice as the driver's side. Real nice paints throughout the car. All your inner outer door jambs are really nice as well. Very solid car underneath and on top, guys. No bubbling in the vinyl top. Just a great car. Solid trunk all around. You got your stock jack here with the assembly. Very nice car. I'd be very proud to own this car. Let's go for a test drive. Alrighty. Everything sounds good and we are ready to go. Very nice temperament on the 318. RPM tach, everything functions like it should. Speedo, heat, air, radio, 8-track. Need an 8-track to test it though, but really nice. Shifts out on all the gears, very nice. Power steering feels great. No rubbing. Really nice and straight down the road, guys. I'm driving this thing with one finger. No rattling, just really nice car, man. Somebody who's looking to go to car shows, enjoy it, pop the hood, be reliable, drive it on the freeway, take a tour across the country. That's what kind of car this is. Very nice. Very smooth as well. So MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. We've been in business here myself for 26 years. When I tell you it's a nice car, it's a nice car. For financing, we have great relations with our lenders. If your credit score is around 640 to 775, 780, you will need 10% down, which is about $4,700. Let's just say $5,000 down you will need, and the rest can be financed. You can roll in your sales tax for your states. You can roll in your delivery charges as well if needed. Not a problem with that. For those of you who have a credit score of like 785 and higher, I have a no money down option for you, okay? So let's back up a little bit. If your credit score is 640 to 780, go to mgmclassiccars.com, upper right-hand corner, and fill out the credit application. You will need about $5,000 down. For those of you, like I said, 785 and higher credit score, no money down option, go directly to my lender at lightstream.com and fill out that application. Before you do so, let's make sure this car is still available. You may call or text me anytime. Grab a pen. I will leave my phone number towards the end of the video. I will need your zip code to get you a quote, and that you may text or call. So again, boys and girls, here you have it, 1974 Plymouth Barracuda here at MGM Classic Cars, 318 cubic inch motor. We believe it's original to the car. Not sure if it is, but I believe that it is. If you want to decode it, does it make a difference to me? No, price is the price, with or without it being numbers matching. Pretty sure it is though. Transmission, great, no problem. No weird noises in the car, no clunks. Drives very easy, one finger. Your wife can even drive this car. So there you have it, folks, here at MGM Classic Cars. If you need delivery, call or text. You can call me or you can text me with your zip code. My number is area code 847-848-1850. Now we're going to head back to the dealership. We have over 200 cars available. We own our inventory. We do not consign. You can buy with confidence. We have over 500, yes, over 500 five-star reviews. Okay, we are 100% on eBay feedback to our customers as well. That stands for something. Look at all the other dealers, and I don't think they're going to be over 500 five-star Google reviews, nor 100% feedback on eBay. So that gives you a sense of buying with confidence. Okay, I can't stress that enough. There's a lot of scams going on, so be careful out there. Buy from a legit company. 26 years in the business here, guys. So again, you may call or text me. My number is 847-848-1850. My name's Thomas, and thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars.